Hello, in this session, we will discuss employee engagement and retention. So what is employee engagement? Employee engagement is a broad concept, and specifically, it's recognized that certain characteristics can contribute to behaviors that will positively influence the employee job performance. And there are three key traits that HR can pay attention to define employee engagement. The first one would be trait engagement. This is the personality. The personality-based elements that make an individual be inclined to be involved, to have natural curiosity, and to have an interest in addressing and solving problems. There are employees that just bring those personality traits with them when they join the organization. The second type of employee engagement trait is stage engagement. Organization can actually influence this type of engagement. So the influence of the workplace environment on an individual's inclination to become more involved called stage engagement. And the third type is behavioral engagement. Behavioral engagement can occur in the cases when both trait and stage engagement are present. So if a person already has the personality-based elements that engage in the workplace and be curious about the work and the company, when combining that with stage engagement, meaning that the workplace environment engaged the individual to be more committed to the organization, then it becomes behavioral engagement. So in summary, I would say engagement is the degree to which employees are committed, invested in the organization, and they are motivated to contribute to the organization's success. So how can organization improve employee engagement and retention? What employees really want? There are 6 drivers of engagement from an international HR perspective. The first one would be ownership of work. The employees want to have the ownership of their work, and they want to see the outcome of their work impacting the organization. Secondly, more and more employees want to have flexibility at work. Third, they want to have a stable work environment. Stability and the confidence that it's placed in an organization leadership play a crucial role in employees' engagement. Of course, rewards and recognitions, advanced opportunities are equally important to any employees. And last but not least, respect. The employees want to have a work environment where they are treated with respect and dignity. These 6 drivers are universal to all employees across the globe. Let's look at the definition of employee engagement and retention. It refers to activities aimed at retaining high-performing talent, solidify and improving the relationship between the employees and the organization, creating a thriving and energized workforce, and developing effective strategies to address appropriate performance expectation from employees at all levels. To achieve this, there's several strategies that you can use. Number 1, effective communication. Companies can use multiple methods of communication, such as open door policy, staff meetings, all-hand meetings, brown bag lunches, newsletters, intranet, and email to effectively communicate and connect with their employees, ensure that the employees have the right information to do their work and engage to the organization. Secondly, employees' feedback loops is just as important as the way companies communicate to the employees. Management need to be willing to listen and welcome employees' feedback in order for their organization to improve. Company can use employee surveys which perhaps the most frequently used device for gathering large information about employee engagement, or focus group to have a smaller group interview and generate insights from employees in conversational level. Company can also have skills level interview, which is a counseling opportunity between the employee and manager. Suggestion box for employees to provide feedback anonymously. And last but not least, employees exit interviews. These interviews are very important for companies to generate insights from employees who are leaving the organization. In HR, we need to use data from employees' feedback loops to generate insights relating to turnover rate, retention rate, and share those insights with management to develop employee engagement and employee retention strategies. How can we provide flexibility at work? We can offer telecommuting or virtual work. We can provide flex work, which allows employees the flexibility to choose their work hours. We can offer compressed work weeks, meaning that the employees only need to work 4 days with 10 hours each day, or offering part-time job or job sharing between 2 employees. Recognition and rewards is very important to employees. We will dig deeper into that concept in the following slide. And last but not least, employees' involvement will be very helpful for company to involve and engage their workforce. Some of the strategies you can use to enhance employees' involvement are work team, task force, committee, self-directed team, and project team. I will talk about each of these in more details.